Hi girlies, imagine this. You can do your entire makeup and get a glowy, fresh looking skin with just 3 products. Today I'm gonna show you my lazy girl, busy woman, budget babe makeup secrets. And of course I'm spilling my favorite hacks on the way. Hey beautiful, welcome or welcome back to Dory Cat Glow, where we keep beauty simple, real and super fun. If you're new here, I'm your internet bestie who believes you do not need million products to look fab. Tell me in the comments what's that one makeup step you skip when you're in a rush. Let's see if you even need it after this. So let's meet our MVPs for today. The OG concealer. Instead of this, you could use a foundation or a BB cream, it's your choice. Then we have the lip and cheek tint. We are going to use this for our lips, our eyes and our cheeks. Then we have the mascara. These 3 are basically my emergency kit. Whenever I'm traveling, running late or feeling lazy but still want to look put together. First, use the concealer. So we're going to use a minimal amount of concealer. We're going to just add a little bit under the eyes, near the mouth and near your nose, and wherever you feel there is any redness or any kind of dark spots. So I'm just applying a little bit. Hack number 1, you don't need to use a blending beauty blender or a brush when you're in a hurry. You can just use your fingers. The reason your fingers are better is because the warmth of your fingers helps the product settle very nicely in your skin and it gives a nice skin-like finish. So don't rub, just press. Another bestie hack for you here, you can use the concealer on your eyelids as well. It makes your eyes look fresh. After we have applied the concealer, we will use this lip and cheek tint. We're going to use it for the cheeks. As I mentioned earlier, I've chosen this color basically because I do not want a lot of pink on my face. You can choose any color of your choice. And the hack here, take it on your hand because it will help you concentrate the product on your hand and take only whatever is required. You won't take more and apply more by accident. So let's start here by applying it on our cheeks. It's totally up to you how much you want to apply. If you want to apply a lot of blush to look more blushed or just a little bit, it's all up to you. I'm going to use the same thing just to give a little bit color on my lips. Gives a natural look, doesn't look too made up. I'll take some more and I'll apply it on the eyelids. Just a little bit, just to give that pop of color and have a nice monochrome look. So now we're going to use the mascara, ultimate game changer here. The hack that I'm going to show you for the mascara is whenever you apply the mascara, you need to take it here, wiggle, 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 up, wiggle, wiggle, up. And there we go, a fresh, everyday look with just 3 products. Honestly, this is my lazy girl glam and it still makes me feel put together. So tell me besties, which of these hacks are you going to steal on, or do you already have a 3 product hack of your own? Drop it in the comments below, I love hearing your tricks too. If you want a step-by-step beginner's guide for makeup, you can check out this video in the I button. Don't forget to like this video if you want more minimalist makeup hacks, and also subscribe to this channel so that you never miss a glow up with me. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, makeup does not need to be complicated to be beautiful. Bye bye besties.